Okay, this is walking in, and this will be a bridge right here, a really tall one. And those two tracks, they go way up underneath there and make a loop. Then they come back out on this side over here where those two come out right there. So they come on around and they condense down to a single track. And so does this one. It'll condense down to a single track. Then we come around. And this will be the yard over here on the right. But I haven't even started that yet. It's too far away. Got a pole right here, but that's just gonna have to do. I'm gonna come around. So I still got a 2-main line on the left. There's a single one right there that turns into a double. That actually turns into a triple with the yard. With the yard track there on the far right. So it comes around. So there really should be 4 tracks there, but I haven't got that far yet. And the single track here will condense back into a double. So that track that came all the way around there would now be a double main line on the outside. And the other one on the inner one that came around way back there, they had 3 tracks, so it'll be like a triple. Plan on putting a big shipping container thing right there. A lot of like industry right through here. And there's the bridges. Single bridge and a double bridge. Okay, we'll go back this way. So I got a triple track. I think the 2 on the outside are the 2 outside ones are a double main there, and the inner one's just a single one. No, the double's on the inner and the single's on the outside. No. Oh, I better get that straight. 2 on the outside, single on the inside. And here's the trestles, the steel bridges. And this is a double one. So it'll be something like that. And it'll go to a single track, and it's going to loop around and come it'll go up against the wall, loop around, make a circle, come back around, and come back to right here. So where I can just run trains constant. Like I said, I'll probably put a yard in here. I haven't figured out what I'm doing with this yet. It's kind of cool. I think you can put a crane on it. Maybe bring flat cars and try to put stuff onto a ship, maybe. But haven't got all the cars out yet. I still got a lot of switches here that I can still who knows what stuff of yours I got. But we'll come back around. And here's all the trains, the engines. And I got a bunch more behind here. Oh, that's my finger. I got a TV right here. I got these big display cases I got from work. So they're like 2-3 deep engines. Mostly Santa Fe. But at the top, I got some rock islands of yours. There's some behind it. All right.